noticed that some people is having issues. I was doing a web form. We're just gonna do it from zero because I want to show you how to create a web form and then how to create text elements on your web form. I'm gonna show you the basics, how to create your web form on GoHighLevel or Area is Simple. Number two, I'm gonna show you how to create a workflow that any lead that comes through that specific web form is gonna be tagged with a specific name. And then I show you how to then send an initial text, right? It's gonna be very basic, right? So they always give you the default fields by first days. I was just delete this. Name here. It's the same number, email, now address, dated. This is like part of their fields. Then I will do multiple lines. In the multiple lines, I will put extra info. Then I will keep this at the bottom. Put them in the bottom. Subscribe. Mistake or client. If you need more spaces, they also have like customized stats. If you want to put a cap chat, if you were to like just verify it was a human. In this case, we're not going to use that because we're going to connect these web forms to Saber. So they also have like to upload images, files, put like amounts. If you wanted to put like specific questions here, how much you want for the house, and put amount number and the currency. They have different stuff. Here in custom fields, you can add more stuff, but we're gonna keep it simple, right? For the ones that never done a web form or high level. So this name we're gonna use offer requested dialect videos. Okay. Yes. Then you save it. It says already exists. Okay, we're gonna just go with the offer requested. It's like stop. Yeah. So let's bring web form. That's all of the fields we need. Now let's go back. If it didn't ask you to save what you did, it's because it's already created. Or offer request here is now. Let's go to the phone part. Automation. We go to settings and drag on automation. Marketing. Where is marketing? Okay. Oh. No, marketing. Here, marketing. Trigger. No. It was automation. The workflows. This is where you're supposed to create a workflow. So let's create a new one from scratch. Good. Up there. Requested. I always want to name the workflow the same that I named the website, right? Add new trigger. Contact tag. Filter. Forms. We're gonna add a filter. Is for request. don't know if it has that. We're gonna add a new tag. I love deals. Just gonna identify that the lead comes from us. Save action. So we have to trigger that every lead that comes through this specific web form we're gonna use to send you links, or that anyone is sending you links to through. Then it's gonna trigger that it's gonna add a tag. You can use any name you want, and then I would use the action wait, and I only use the action wait. It's not that it's super necessary, but it helps the system work more efficiently because you're gonna do everything like at the speed of light. There's gonna be a waiting time. If not, the system will crash or not. But it's just a better way of having this work smoothly. Then send SMS, and then here on the SMS, you put whatever you have intentions of putting. Let's save action. Let's say I'm just gonna do a sample, right? That's why I'm gonna save the action just for the sake of the video. So this is the SMS that is gonna come through 1 minute after this lead is tagged. Then let's say you want to text them every day, then you add wait 1 hour or 1 day to save the action. And now 1 day after this SMS is sent, just select to send another SMS. Still, or you put there the text template or the message you want to put to follow up with them, and then you can wait 2 days or 2 hours, 2 days to send another text from when this text message was sent. That way you don't spam people, and you can do as many texts as you want and just play with the waiting time. And that's it. There you have your workflow. Save. You click publish. It's gonna be available. We're gonna pause it right now, and that's how you do it. Pretty much. It's super simple. GoHighLevel and Array Simple are super user friendly. And if you follow this guidance, it should be good. Also, very important, you must have phone numbers active assigned to your user. No, the SMS are not gonna go through. But that's another video guiding you how to submit your information for business registration and for you to be able to have the phone numbers to text and call people. I hope this helps someone out there that is struggling and don't know where to start. Try to make it super simple. Have a good day.